Hey everyone, Ian here, Manderscheid Media. Well, we have a blast from the past from my perspective. I haven't seen this truck in a long time, but as luck happens, I got called out to do an appraisal, and here we are looking at. Actually, I dare you to find another one. That's step one. I dare you to find another one. 1967 GMC panel truck. So the owner of this truck, Ray, has been a friend of mine through vehicles, upholstery. We actually resealed this engine 2017 is what we figure. But look at I look at this and I see the colors and I see the sleek lines. Everything just screams to me cool. So this was a CN truck. All of these trucks, and this is all information coming from the owner here, they were fleet vehicles. They could only be ordered as fleet vehicles. So this one, when he bought it, roughly around 1990, was orange and white. So clearly it's not orange and white anymore. I think it's a much nicer unit here. But we have custom taillights, and I'm sworn to secrecy. I will not tell you what they are, but if someone does know what they are, leave a comment down and see if we can guess what they are. I may or may not tell you, but let the games begin. It took me a while. I needed 3 guesses, 3 hints before I could actually get it. So, dual exhaust, 350 engine, turbo 350 transmission. I got to show you the back here because, again, this is just stuff that we don't get to see this anymore. And I just want to make sure. All of this, we have the lock up top. I love it. And you can go past. It opens all the way. I'm not going to do that. But the slide mechanism, we got enough. We can party in here for days. We got enough space for all of our friends in here. So this truck was treated to a full-on restoration, really. It's got new wood in the back, new metal floors. There is a design process coming to the back. So Ray's profession on the side here is upholstery. So that's how Ray and I met. If anybody's watched the channel and you have seen my brother's Blue Duster, that's the car that got me introduced to Ray. Ray went over to my brother's place, grabbed the seats, recovered them, put them back in, and from there on, he's been doing interiors for myself, for Radical Bob, for all my friends or acquaintances that are looking for an upholstery guy. Ray's the man. So, again, this was painted 2018, and it looks amazing. It's got about 5,000 miles since 2011. I love the center lines against that dark burnt orange, against the gray. It's perfect. I mean, it just suits this truck so well. The front end of this, so 67, also I'm learning as I'm doing this. So 67, for all the Chevy lovers out there, you know this, but I'm going to let you in on a hint because Ray told me. We have no marker lights in 67. So that's, again, the sides of this truck are just, baby ass smooth, if you want to put it to that. So 68 then came marker lights all the way up to 1972. So yeah, I just think these, this version of Chevy truck has always been collectible, has always been, there's been enthusiasts throughout, collecting these trucks, and you can do anything custom to them and they just seem to like it. Like they just show so well. It's got your standard engine, I would say, somewhat standard, 350 engine, the pinnacle of small block Chevys. So in 2017, Ray pulled the motor out. I came over and we resealed it together. It's got factory ram horns on it with the kick downs. 4-barrel carburetor, cam and lifters at the time, and then bearings. Put bearings in it? We did not put bearings. We plastic gauge, and then we put a cam and lifters in it. Yeah, so chrome alternator, upgraded, new power brake booster and master. It was a power brake truck before. Just wanted some newer upgraded things. Power steering. Yeah, it's just clean. This color just shows so well. So well. Now, not an option, but has been in. It's installed in here. I gotta show you. We got the Joe Dirt Special. Look at that. The chrome footprint gas pedal. And for all you young tykes out there, that's for your high-low beam. Gas pedal, chrome, foot, perfect. So Ray told me he bought that set when he was 15 years old. So for his first car, 1950 Chevy Coupe. So it's mated from Ray being 15 to, we're not going to totally give out his age, but it wasn't yesterday. And yeah, I mean, standard gauges. Yeah, slide in here. Yeah, I mean, this is just vintage. Now, obviously, we have an upgraded stereo system. Again, for all you young tykes, cassette. Used to have a case in my vehicle that had all my cassettes in. And yeah, I mean, this is nostalgia at its best. I just love it. You can see out the back. Yeah, there's space for days. All kinds of room for activities. Now, one thing that GM and Chevy have changed in the last bit, RPO codes for 45 years used to be in the glove box. Like so. Real simple, easy to find your options, everything like that. And now they hide them in the back seat, them crazy turkeys. Why can't they just keep it simple? Anyway. And one last option that Ray says he's never seen. I know I have never seen. We got to show you. I got to bend my cracky knees here. Factory tow hooks. Now, if you're a GM person, you're going to say, well, that's to pull out all the Fords and Dodges and everything else out of the ditch. And that's fine. And I'm a Dodge guy, so that's where we hook on to pull this into the shop or whatever. But pick your poison. I love it. And if anybody's ever seen factory tow hooks on this vintage truck, by all means, comment, send a picture or whatever. It's the channel is used for knowledge, for growing, for understanding, all this other stuff. The last couple of videos, I've had a few negative comments. Not that it bothers me. There's always going to be some negative Nancy out there, or some prick, but whatever. This is just one of those things where I'm learning as I'm doing this, and this is cold turkey. This is one take cold turkey learning about a 67 GMC panel truck. So I hope everybody enjoys it. Comment if you can guess what the taillights are. Good luck. It's going to take some serious guessing for sure, some serious thinking. But thanks to Ray for letting me do the video. And now everybody else there, thanks for watching. We'll see you down the line. Take care. Bye for now.